Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how to display flagged emails on top in Outlook. This is really useful if you want to keep important emails easy to find, especially tasks, reminders, follow-ups, or messages you still need to respond to. By flagging and organizing emails properly, you can make your inbox much cleaner and avoid losing track of important conversations. So if that sounds helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Outlook tutorials. Now, let's jump right in. First, open your web browser and go to Outlook on the web. Then sign in to your Outlook account using your email address and password. Once you're logged in, look over to the left-hand sidebar and open your inbox. Now, before we can display flagged emails at the top, we first need to flag an email. Move your mouse over any email message inside your inbox. On the far right side of the email row, you'll see a small flag icon. Go ahead and click the flag icon. Once you click it, the email becomes flagged. Flagging an email is basically Outlook's way of marking a message as important or something that needs attention later. Now let's make those flagged emails easier to find. At the top area above your email list, look for the filter option and click it. A drop-down menu will appear with different filtering choices. From the list, select Flagged. Outlook will now display only the emails that have been flagged. This is a very quick way to focus only on important emails without scrolling through your entire inbox. Now let's make flagged emails appear closer to the top of your inbox. Near the top of the inbox area, look for the Sort option. Click it. Depending on your Outlook version, you may see options like Flagged, Flag Status, or similar sorting settings. Select that option if available. This helps move flagged emails higher in your email list so they're easier to access quickly. If you later want to remove the flag, simply click the flag icon again. One quick thing to remember: filtering by flagged emails only changes the current view of your inbox. It doesn't move or delete emails permanently. So you can safely switch between normal inbox view and flagged view anytime you want. And that's it. You now know how to display flagged emails on top in Outlook using the web version. This is a simple but powerful way to stay organized and manage important emails more efficiently. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below if you have any questions or want to see more Outlook tutorials. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.